In today's video, I am going to show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. So first of all, click on profile, which is below. Here you can see that my account is already in professional mode, so I want to switch back to personal account. How to do? First, click on 3-line, which is top right. Scroll down and click on Creator Tools and Control. Then click on Switch Account Type. Here is 2 options. If I want to personal account, that I will click on Switch to Personal Account option. Switch to personal account. When you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off, and insights from all of your content, including your promotions, will be permanently removed. Click on Switch to Personal Account. Finally, my account has been switched. This is how you can change your account. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.